Introducing the Lanos Foldable Fitness Bike. The foldable frame with transport wheels allows for easy transportation and storage. Work out from the convenience of your home while increasing cardiovascular health, building strength, and burning calories. To increase tension and add intensity to your ride, there are 10 levels of magnetic resistance that allows you to push your limits. The Performance Monitor consists of 5 performance statistics that allows you to track your workout data. The oversized cushioned seat and back support allows for total comfort during your ride, allowing you to work out with ease. Boost your physical and mental health, leaving you radiant after your ride on your Lanos Foldable Fitness Bike.
Soles of my shoes are worn, the knees of my jeans are torn. Sweat coming through my shirt, keep pushing even though it hurts. I'm chasing what I know is true, there's nothing that I would not do. When everyone around me drops, I'm never gonna ever stop. I won't waste another minute, no I won't. I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission.